Yeah, it's a shooting range. So we'll go on that road. See if we find anything cool. Like, it doesn't say that you can't go here or nothing like that. Oh, don't want to gas that shit out. Warning. Risk. So what does that say? Maybe you don't want to go in here. You might get shot. Fuck, man. I don't want to get shot. You know? Oh, maybe that's like... Oh, I don't know. To be honest. Maybe you shouldn't go in here. You might get shot. So, and we don't want to get shot. Not today, at least. I'm not really cool with that. I'm not really cool with getting shot today. I wouldn't find that really funny. Let's go, let's go. Alright. So, I mean, it feels good to be back on the quad. To just be able to ride. And, just seek out adventures, you know? I was like standing at a church before and just taking some photos and shit. There was an old guy. Yeah, I don't think you saw him, but there was this old guy walking his dog. You know, he was chill about it. Ain't nobody give a shit. Ain't nobody care about me. So this is what I like about quad biking. You get to do like, you get to go on all these adventures and shit. Can't see anything because of this pollen. It's fucking annoying as hell. I want to go out on those. Yo, they're gonna be so mad if I do. I swear to God, bro, they're gonna be pissed. They're gonna be like, you fucking idiot, what the fuck you doing to my fucking land, bro? You stupid. Ooh, look at this fucking building, bro. Look at that fucking house. Look at this fucking house, dude. That's giant. God damn, look at this fucking chandelier, bro. Shit. Oh, they got fucking palm trees and everything. God damn. Bro, it's fucking... It feels good to be on a 500 though. Like on the 400, I could go like this, and it was like super slow. This one is like, boom, just punches. It's like a punch in a fucking. It's like an uppercut, dude. It's fucking crazy, bro. That's a dog. That's a big ass dog, bro. That's a big ass dog, bro. The good thing is though, when I can lock this one. So when I don't want to play, or oh sorry, when I want to play, like when we're on gravel and shit, I could just fucking turn that shit off and just put the thumb throttle on. Bro, this is fucking insane, dude. Bro. Bro, this bike is fucking nuts. Bro, I can't even explain it to you, dude. It's fucking nuts. It's fucking crazy, this bike. Bro, it's fucking...